Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be checking out a new model home in Jensen Beach, close to downtown and the ocean, which is an area that doesn't see a lot of new construction, especially around $600,000, which is about the average price right now for Martin County. So if you're looking to move into this area, reach out to me directly. I've been able to get clients of mine great deals on brand new homes like the one I'm about to show you, and I'd be more than happy to help you too. So this home is going to give you a contemporary transitional design with 1,828 square feet under air. This is a split floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and the master is in the back of the home. You're going to get impact windows and doors. You'll have quartz countertops in the kitchen and different design packages for the floors and cabinetry. And the master has a tub, which isn't too common on homes of this size. And with this builder, you don't have to wait a year to build. They specialize in quick delivery, and I've been able to get clients of mine great deals on their inventory homes for sale. So if you want more information about those and you want to see more of their homes, you should reach out to me directly. I help people just like you buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be able to work with and represent you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. So hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, and if you liked what you've seen and are considering a move here in Martin County, I'm going to put my information up on the screen now, and you can reach out to me directly so we can talk more about what the next steps would look like.